Clix just released its first hands-on video of a working communicator prototype this morning. The clip shows pre-production hardware running actual software, with marketing lead Jeff Gadway demonstrating calls, messaging, music playback, and app navigation on the device. Earlier appearances relied on non-functional dummy units. This version moves the project from concept to something people can picture using every day. The form size is kept purposely small, with a 4-inch OLED screen atop a complete physical keyboard that takes up the majority of the front of the device. The white variant appears to be very clean and purposeful, with pill-shaped keys that are slightly elevated, making them easy to locate by touch. The spacebar at the bottom is lovely and broad, and it even has a fingerprint sensor built in, which fits your thumb's natural resting position, allowing you to unlock the device without having to move your hand away from the keyboard. You'll find a variety of essential functionality scattered around the hardware. On top, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack next to one microphone, with 2 additional at the bottom and back to help with calls as well as recordings. A barometric pressure sensor is also included to aid with position accuracy and other functions. You can charge it using USB-C or wireless charging, and the 4,000 mAh battery should be enough for light daily use. It sports a good 50-megapixel main sensor and a 24-megapixel front camera for quick shots or video calls with another device. The removable rear cover is an excellent design choice that is also extremely user-friendly. Simply remove the panel with your finger through a little notch and some chamfered edges, and voila! Inside, there is a SIM card slot and a microSD card reader that can accommodate 2 terabyte cards, all of which are easily replaced. The prototype runs Android 16, with a modified UI based on the Niagara launcher. The home screen is relatively basic, with a ribbon of favorite apps over on one side so you can quickly grab what you need, and app notifications are integrated into the main view rather than obnoxious floating banners, which is good. To respond to a message preview, simply swipe it. Yes, typing on the actual keyboard is also fairly slick, as it searches for apps and content and displays results right away. The home screen also includes several widgets, like as playback controls for your music apps. Overall, Clix sees this small handset as a companion rather than a full-fledged substitute for larger flagship phones. Many individuals will maintain their large cell phone for taking images or using demanding apps, but this small unit is ideal for quick messages, short conversations, and focused notes. If you simply want a phone that is less flashy and allows you to work without being distracted, this could be an excellent choice. It has all the necessary connectivity, including 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC. Shipping is scheduled for the 4th quarter of 2026, with a target price of $499. They're also taking pre-orders on their website. This demonstrates that the team has made significant progress, as the transition from a static display model to something that actually does the real thing is substantial.